Hello everyone, welcome back to our English grammar class, and in today's session we are going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs is one of our parts of speech in the English grammar. You already know that, and in our today's session we are going to learn about that only. Okay? But before going to our today's session, you have to know what is meant by an adverb, or how will you define an adverb in a sentence. It is very simple that I can define it as an adverb is nothing but which adds, listen carefully, which adds additional information about a verb in a sentence, or even we can say that it tells more information about a verb in a sentence. For example, if you take an adjective, how will you define an adjective? You can define an adjective by saying that it tells more about a noun in a sentence. Like the same way, you can able to define adverbs. Adverbs is nothing but it tells more about a verb in a sentence. Is it clear? Okay, first we saw about the definition of an adverb. Now coming to the second question, that while seeing a sentence, how will you identify that these words are adverbs? For example, take these sentences. I have written 3 sentences. Let us take the first sentence. While seeing the sentence, you can easily say that subject comes first, and after that the verbs follows, like that. But while seeing the sentence, how will you say that this is an adverb word? It is very simple. The simple trick is by asking the questions like how, when and where. I repeat it again. How, when and where. If you ask your questions like how, when and where in a sentence, and if there are words which gives meaning to these questions, then that words are known as adverbs. Is it clear? So it is very simple to identify an adverb word in a sentence by asking the questions like how, when and where. If a word gives answers to these questions, then it is known as an adverb word. So now we saw about 2 things. One is the simple definition of an adverb. Next, how will we easily identify an adverb in a sentence? By asking questions. Okay. Now coming to the third one, that is, what are the functions of an adverb in a sentence? What are the functions? See the explanation here. An adverb can modify the meanings of. So this is the function of an adverb. Clear? An adverb can modify. Here, what do you mean that modify? Modify is nothing but the things which we can change slightly. Okay? The things which we can change slightly. Here, an adverb can change slightly what? The meaning of verbs, adjectives and another adverb in a sentence. So this is the basic function of an adverb. An adverb can modify the meaning of verb in a sentence, or adjective in a sentence, or even another adverb in a sentence. So we will, first of all, we have to know the definition of each grammar part. First, what do you mean by verb? Because if you understand these meanings, you can easily modify the meaning of such grammar part in a sentence. Okay? What is a verb? Verb is nothing but it refers to the action words or the state of being. It is known as verbs. Okay? Now coming to the adjective. Adjective is nothing but it describes about the nouns or tells more about a noun in a sentence. And another adverb, you know that what is the adverb? Adverb is adds additional information about a verb in a sentence. So it can even give the meaning of another adverb in a sentence. We will see some of the examples related to this. The first example is related to the modifying the meaning of verbs in a sentence. See the first example here. My brother has a habit of talking fast. I repeat it again. My brother has a habit of talking fast. First of all, you have to identify an adverb verb in this sentence. What is the adverb verb? See here, fast. It is the adverb verb. Because you just ask the questions like, how he is talking? He is talking fast. So the answer is given to the question, how he is talking. So this word is known as an adverb. Next, we have to find out the verb, that is an action word in this sentence, and it is very clear that talking is the action word because it is an action. Here I am talking to you. So it is an action. So it is the verb. Here see the sentence again. My brother has a habit of talking fast. Here what? The verb talking. You know that here the adverb fast modifies the meaning of the verb. Okay? By saying that he is talking fastly. So here it modifies the meaning of a verb in the sentence. So this is the first function of the adverb. Now coming to the second example, see here, it is related with the adjective. How will we modify the meaning of adjective in a sentence? See here, we were extremely happy for her. Here, what is an adverb verb? It is very simple, extremely. Because usually an adverb ends in ly or y. Often, okay, often it ends in ly or y in a sentence. Here extremely, it is an adverb word, and after that we have an adjective word. Why happy it is an adjective word? Because it describes the noun by saying that they were happy. Okay, so if a word which describes a noun, then it is known as an adjective. So here happy is an adjective word, but in this sentence the adverb modifies the meaning of an adjective by saying that they were extremely happy. Okay, we were extremely means very happy. We were extremely happy for her. So this is our second rule, that an adverb can modify the meaning of an adjective in a sentence. Now coming to the third rule. Third rule, see here, she walks very slowly. Here she walks very slowly. Here we have two adverb words. What are they? One is slowly and the other one is very. Here the first adverb word is slowly. She walks slowly. We can say that she walks slowly. But what is the work of an adverb? It modifies the meaning. Here it modifies the meaning of another adverb. And another adverb slowly by saying that she walks very slowly. Okay, there is a difference between slowly and very slowly. So it changes the meaning of another adverb also in a sentence. So these are the functions of adverb in a sentence. So first we saw that what is the definition of an adverb. Next, how will you identify an adverb in a sentence. Next, we saw that the functions of adverb in a sentence, that they can modify the meanings of verb in a sentence or adjective in a sentence or even another adverb in a sentence. So next we will see the types or kinds of adverbs. Coming to the kinds of adverbs, we can even say that it is a type of adverbs, and there are basically 8 types or 8 kinds of adverbs in our English grammar. What are they? The first one is adverbs of time. The second one is adverbs of place. Third one is adverbs of manner. Fourth one is adverbs of frequency. And the fifth one is adverbs of degree. And the sixth one is interrogative adverbs. And the seventh one is sentence adverbs. And the last one is relative adverbs. So there are 8 types of adverbs in our English grammar. Now I will explain it to you in a single line. That is, what is adverbs of time or what is adverbs of place. See here, we will identify adverbs of time in a sentence by usually asking a question when the action takes place or took place. Okay? Adverbs of time we can identify by asking the question when. Okay? When the action takes place or took place in a sentence, it is generally known as adverbs of time. Next, coming to the adverbs of place. If you want to ask a question regarding adverbs of place, then it usually has the question where. Okay? Where is that action takes place? Okay? Where the action takes place or took place is known as adverbs of place. If the adverb gives the answer for the question where, then it is known as adverbs of place. Now coming to the third type, adverbs of manner, we usually ask the question how. How the action takes place or took place in a sentence. If an adverb gives the answer for the question how, then it is known as adverbs of manner. Now coming to the fourth, adverbs of frequency. Usually we ask the question how often. What is the question? How often. So if an adverb word give answer to the question how often, then it is known as the type of adverbs of frequency. Now coming to the adverbs of degree. It is nothing but which shows the strong or weak part of adverbs in a sentence. Whether the adverb we use is the strong adverb or a weak adverb. Okay? Strong or weak adverb in a sentence, it is generally known as adverbs of degree. Now coming to the interrogative adverbs. You know that interrogative is usually used to ask questions. Here also the adverb is used to what? To ask questions. Next, sentence adverbs. So sentence adverb is used to modify the sentence. Okay? Modify the sentence. Sentence adverbs is usually used to modify the sentence and to give the normal opinion of the speaker. Okay? Instead of saying the same sentence in a sentence, we modify the sentence and give the nature of the opinion of the speaker in a sentence. Now coming to the last type, relative adverbs. So relative adverbs also what? It modifies the main words in a sentence. Modify the main verbs in a sentence. So these are the 8 major types of adverbs. So in this session we learned about the definition of adverbs and how will you identify an adverb in a sentence and what are the functions of adverbs and the different types of adverbs. So in our next session we will learn about another interesting topic. Until then, be safe. Thank you for watching.